Does anybody have any suggestions for working with a symphonic orchestra?
Something that Antonieri said in one of her homework is that I think it was for the classroom management that she wants to build a sense of respect in her classroom, right? And that's something that for me that word is community. So that and again that plays into what you were asking about, Elizabeth. And so from day one, I think of all my students as I'm going to have them for 4 years, even if I'm not. Okay. Well, how do I want them to be like by the time they graduate? What kind of community do I want to build? And getting a sense of that so that they know from day one that they're working together. And I didn't talk about partner work and things like that as much as I wanted to, but they're always working together. They're always, after I teach something new, they're working together and helping each other. So there's always that sense of we're doing this together. Then when they get into chamber groups, they have this sense of cohesiveness that I've built with them, right? There's a couple blog posts on that, how I get them to brainstorm. What have you learned to do this year? Like the beginners. In maybe like December or even January or partway through the year, I'll ask them, what did you learn? And it's not just about playing the instrument, right? It's about all these social skills that they've also learned, right? And they see the web that the answers. It's like, yeah, we learned a lot. You want to get your students present to that. They're not just learning to play music. You want to be present to that they're not just learning to play music. They're learning socialization skills, they're learning leadership skills. They really are learning a whole wealth of skills that are going to really benefit them um, as they progress through life, right? And what other subject can do that? Not very many, right? And I think for strings, it's even tighter because I'm not sure why. I haven't put that into words yet. It's just so much more involved. But anyway, so I want to take that, Jacqueline, to the orchestra. It's like, what is your word? What is it that you are out to really ultimately teach kids? It's not about the music. It's not about playing an instrument, right? It's about perseverance. It's about community. It's about leadership skills. It's this other thing, right? So get present to that and bring that to the classroom, and that is part of your classroom management. That is part of your them trusting you, so that when you tell them to correct something, they're like, yeah, okay, I'll do that, rather than, oh, she's telling me I'm bad. No. So you know what I'm saying?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, 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 yeah. And I hope I did that with you.
Oh, yes, you did. Thank you so much. That was great.
That was my long answer to and not directly answering your question.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.